Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, I have a disturbing fact, a disturbing truth about the Bitcoin and Ethereum price right now. You might ask yourself, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? You were recently just telling us that, let me quickly go over here, that Bitcoin is right now, let me go over here and diminish this here quickly, that right now Bitcoin is at crossroads. Bitcoin is here at this horizontal resistance. And once we are breaking it, we can go overwhelmingly bullish. What if I told you that, yes, this is still the truth. Yes, I am still looking out to 48,000 US dollars and higher. Once we are breaking this, I am still looking out for a massive pump for Bitcoin in the moment we are breaking it. But what if I told you that the final countdown is right now actually ticking for Bitcoin? Because if we are not getting this one green candle I will be talking about within the next 5 to 6 days, it can get very, very bloody, not only for Bitcoin, but also for Ethereum and the whole altcoin section. Let me talk about what I am here actually looking out for Bitcoin. Because first of all, let me focus on the 4-hourly. I will talk about Ethereum as well. On the 4-hourly candles, before I'm going over to Ethereum and before I'm going over into this one disturbing fact. What we can see here is, of course, this downward sloping trend line. Bitcoin broke it already. We were turning very, very excited here. But what I was telling you also is, number one, we have to break this horizontal resistance. We didn't break it so far. We also have to break the EMA 4-hourly ribbon. We didn't break it so far. Of course, we broke it, but we always need a 4-hourly candle close outside, right? So these check marks are not fulfilled yet. I was actually also updating you about this specific thing over on my Telegram alerts channel. 23,000 people already. A link is down below. And I am posting these updates here, of course, very, very importantly every single time. And I was saying here, the last step for blue skies ahead is breaking the horizontal resistance. We did not break it yet, guys, yet. So as long as this is not happening, we cannot turn overwhelmingly bullish for Bitcoin and for Ethereum so far. However, guys, I want to talk about, let me quickly diminish this here, what has to happen for this. So if we are breaking it, of course, if we are breaking the 44,500 US dollar level, I am looking out for 48,000. Stick here with me until the very end, because this disturbing fact is actually the most important thing to look out for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. Number two, for Ethereum, on the 4-hourly candles, you can see we are here also hovering around at resistance. You can see here this horizontal resistance right there, 2 touch points, which was support right there before. But also zooming out a little bit more here over on Ethereum and then pulling out the VPVR, then you can see that Ethereum is right now actually exactly floating around at the point of control, the point where we had the most volume traded on the horizontal. Important, right? And now, guys, hold your horses if you are too bullish right now for Bitcoin. Of course I'm bullish. I'm the biggest bull in the history of mankind, probably. However, I'm also a realist. So I am holding myself a little bit back here right now from getting too excited. Yes, I am bullish for Bitcoin, guys. Don't get me wrong here. But I want to get excited only if Bitcoin, come on, it's not too much to ask for, goes just $900 higher and closes above. This is the moment I'm getting excited. Let's wait for this to happen. And now I wanted to show you one thing. Why these last minutes are ticking for Bitcoin. And if I am going over to the daily candles and pulling out the EMA ribbon, I mean, think about this, guys. The higher the time frame, I wanted to talk about this quickly here. I'm here actually, by the way, with my Bitcoin pyjama on the beach. The perfect place to record a video. The higher the time frame, the more accurate patterns are. The higher the time frame, the more accurate EMAs are. EMA ribbons, exponential moving averages, moving averages, resistances, supports. The higher the time frame, the more legitimate, the more important, and the more we should take them serious. So the same thing goes for the EMA ribbon. Wow, beautiful, the burning sun in the background. The same thing goes for the EMA ribbon. On the 4-hourly, very important, but the daily completely crushes everything the 4-hourly has to say. So whenever we are breaking above the EMA ribbon on the daily, Bitcoin is more likely to turn bullish. Whenever we turn below, it is more likely to turn bearish. But more importantly, whenever the EMA ribbon flips, so the yellow, the short-term moving average, goes above the long-term moving average, this is when we turn bullish. On the flip side, however, when the short-term moving average turns below the short-term moving, the long-term moving average on the EMA ribbon, so when the yellow line goes below the red one, this is a bearish flip, and this is when we turn bearish, and not sometimes, not only 80%, so far always. And here you can see that this is about to happen. Bitcoin can prevent that, and Bitcoin did prevent that multiple times in history, but it has to happen within the next 1 week. Bitcoin needs this big candle above the resistance within the next week to prevent this bearish flip from happening. And I want to show you quickly what happened before when we flipped. Right here, you are having a bullish flip. What happened? Bitcoin went from 36 to 52. I traded it. You remember, $2.4 million in profit. In the end, I didn't take profits, of course. I was stopped out in break even. Anyways, here, bearish flip. Bitcoin went from 55,000 US dollars down to 30,000 US dollars. I mean, crazy, right? Every single time. This is such a crazy accurate indicator over on the daily. Let's go back to the last flip. This was floating around sideways. So let's go to the last flip. This was a bullish flip down at 7,000 US dollars. What happened? Bitcoin went 10x up to 70,000 US dollars. Let's go to the last one. This was a bearish flip, a very, very prominent one actually, where Bitcoin had this very prominent dump from 9,100 down to 3,800 US dollars. In fact, every single time the EMA ribbon is flipping bearish, we go down. Every single time it is flipping bullish, we go up. So we have, or Bitcoin has, to prevent this bearish flip from happening within the next 6 days. First of all, guys, if you want more of these updates, wherever I am, whenever I am, whatever I'm wearing, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Very, very importantly, I have to turn around here to protect you from the wind. Very importantly, make noise for the algorithm as you have never made noise for the algorithm before. I need your feedback. The YouTube algorithm needs your feedback to understand that this content is relevant for you. Also, subscribe to our Crypto. Subscribe to our Crypto Alerts channel. 23,100 followers over at the Crypto Alerts channel. And of course, guys, very importantly, in the pinned comment down below, you get 3,200 US dollars in free bonuses. If you click the link, the Bybit link down below, you get here combined with all of these links down below a free bonus with which you can trade, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade also completely for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and of course we are going to see each other very, very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.